Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to hide a page from search engines. I am now inside the home page of my website in Hostinger Website Builder. To prevent a page from being indexed, just go to Website Settings, then click on SEO Settings. Now, next to hide page from search engine, you can enable this option. Then close this window and don't forget to update your websites to reflect your changes online. Next time that a search engine like Google visits this page, it will see a no index tag and it will remove it if it is already indexed or not indexed in the first time. And this is how to prevent a page from being indexed in Hostinger Website Builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger Website Builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.